Vijay. This is my next video. This video is about Amazon Seller Course Lecture 6. Already I put 5 lectures. If you didn't watch that video, I give you playlist link in description. You watch that videos and then you come to this video. Then only you can understand how Amazon works and how to become an Amazon seller. You can learn everything. Okay guys, in this video we are going to see about how revenue calculator works. Okay guys, this video is very useful and very interesting. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, in this video we are going to see about Amazon revenue calculator, how it works. Okay guys, revenue calculator is nothing, it's just a profit calculator. For example, if you buy some product from local market, what price you can get and what is the price the Amazon is selling that product. That is a profit. What profit you can get, you can learn from this revenue calculator. Before we enter into the example, I tell you one point. Amazon shipping. Amazon shipping is two types. One is FBA, fulfilled by Amazon. That is, if you buy some product, you need to buy bulk as a quantity and then you send directly to Amazon warehouse. That is called as FBA. And then FBM. FBM is fulfilled by merchant. Fulfilled by merchant is two types. One is easy ship and another one is self ship. Easy ship means if you buy some product and you pack that product and send to Amazon warehouse, through Amazon driver will come and pick from you. That is called as easy ship. And then self ship. Self ship means if you same process is going on as a easy ship and then you send, Amazon driver will not come. You send to some other courier service to directly send to the customer. That is called as self ship. Okay guys, in this revenue calculator, how we calculate the profit and how we can get profit margin, you can learn from this example. Okay guys, let's show some example. Okay guys, first go to Google Chrome and type Amazon revenue calculator AE and click this Amazon revenue calculator. Here it will show down sign in and continue as guest and click continue as guest. Okay, this is the overall interface of the Amazon revenue calculator. And first you need to change the country. These are the countries where the Amazon works. I choose AE and click this search. Okay, first we need one product. Okay, go to this Amazon buyer account. I already choose this product. Okay, come down. And here it will show here it will show ASIN, Amazon Standard Identification Number. Copy this ASIN. I already copied. So I go to this Amazon revenue calculator. Okay, paste it in this search and click the search button. Here you can see the product and product details. And come down, here it will show Amazon fulfillment and left side it will show your fulfillment. Amazon fulfillment is FBA and your fulfillment is FBM, easy ship and self ship. Both are available in your fulfillment. Okay, first I show you how the FBA works for that profit calculator. Okay, first you can see item price. Item price is 36.99. It will automatically show because this price is selling in Amazon for that product. It will, when you paste in this search, it will automatically show this item price. Okay, and come down. Here you can see some other fees are available. Referral fees is 5.55 dirham. Amazon referral fees. Amazon referral fees is nothing but Amazon is a third party website. They charge us for your product to send to the customer. So this is a charge of Amazon referral fees is 5.55 dirham. And some other fees are there like fixed fees, variable charges. Yeah, fixed charge, variable charges, or some other charges, storage charge, like that it will given. And you can come down miscellaneous cost. Here cost of goods sold. Here you can type what price you get that product from the local market. You type that price. Okay, I type the price as 10 dirham for example, and click this done. Okay, I already typed, and come down here. It will automatically shows the profit. Cost per unit sold is 24.57, and here you can see the net profit. Net profit for this product 12.42 dirham per piece. And then net margin is 33.58% for this product. Okay, here it will show the net profit and the net margin, like that it will show. Okay, first we completed the Amazon fulfillment. This is Amazon fulfillment, what the product and what are the cost of that Amazon fulfillment for. Okay guys, I already completed the FBA for warehouse, and now you come to FBM, your fulfillment. FBM is two types. One is easy ship and second one is self ship. Okay, now we see the profit. First you see the item price 36.99. that same you can see in Amazon fulfillment. Okay, and then come down shipping charge. You need to give this shipping charge. Shipping charge I put 14 14.7 for this for example. Okay, and then down you can see the Amazon fees, like that same Amazon fees 5.59 dirham, and the fixed charges and fulfillment cost, everything, and storage cost. Okay, and go down, and you can see here cost of goods sold. I type for this the same 10 dirham. Yeah, now here you can see the profit in down, cost per unit. In this video we see about how revenue calculator works and how the FB and FBN shipment is works everything learned from this video. Okay guys, if you like this video, click that like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.